Do I start with hello, fellow VWers?
I don't care.
Hello, fellow VWers. My name is Oscar. Alyssa, you want to say hi? She's recording for us today.
Hello.
We are working on my 2013 Golf. It is a base model. Come here, Alyssa. We are installing this dead pedal.
Wow.
Right there. This is from a MK5 GTI, MK5, and MK6s, who are interchangeable. So they are pretty easy to install. The original one comes black with no metal aluminum cover. I did find this one at the junkyard. Do yourself a favor and buy one from like eBay. My clutch pedal already has damage on it because it is from the junkyard, so unfortunately that's what happens when you buy stuff from the junkyard. But I think they are like $25 off of eBay. So we will start with the install. Trim removal tool, screwdriver. I think I need a T25 or T20. We will find out here shortly. And then yeah, so we'll start off with so this comes off.
Or not.
Or not. There it goes. Right there. There's trim piece tools right there. You can take these out with a needle nose. I do have a special tool from Volkswagen to remove these if you don't really want to bend them up, or else they won't really go back in. So next we have the hood latch right here. This needs to be removed. So there's not really any instructions anywhere you won't find. So this gets removed. There's a little pin on the inside somewhere that gets pushed out. I will show you just momentarily once I get it out myself. There it is right there. This comes out like so. It just slides in like this. So when you take it off, imagine it like right here, putting this in here, and this popping out. So like so. Once that is out, there's also a trim piece right here that needs to get popped out. I think there's a cover. It's a little bit different on every model, but this has a little cover right here. And then this unscrews a little flathead. So this comes out like so. Can you see it, Elsa?
Yes.
That comes out like that. This whole thing pops out like that. From there, here's that one screw, T25. That comes off like that. And then this whole thing comes up like so and gets removed. Installation is obviously in reverse order. Put that back in, make sure it sits in all of them correctly. And then T25 goes in like so. Remove this trim piece. Grab your needle nose or whatever tool you're using to remove this. Here's that clip. It's shown right there. It does slide in. And then it does slide in right there into that spot from the side, as you can see. Turn this back into here. Make sure it slides in all the way. There it goes. This pops into the trim piece here. It gets screwed back in with this little screw, little plastic screw. Like I said, this is different on every model. I did do this on my GLI. It was very similar once you took the hood latch handle out. But there is a screw located here that needs to be removed as well. Screw this back in. And now put this cap back on. make sure that this is in right there like that, and it will just pop back in like so, and it won't come back off. And then can I see this? Located here, you have these metal clips that we took out earlier. They just pop back into the trim right there, into the body. Like so. The rubber gets put back, and you have your dead pedal on your Mark 6 Golf. Why?
Just do it again.
I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this video turned out as you would hope, and I hope it's informational for you. If the camera angle was terrible, blame Melissa.
Thanks.
But if you would like to see anything else, like maybe a GOI steering wheel, or my other pedals that I have, the clutch and the brake pedal installation, let me know, and I'll definitely do another video. Thanks.